Okay, so this is for the case 3 for chapter 6, Aloha properties. And starting out, we had to create a new account for Aloha properties, insert all the information, and create reports. So first, unless you want to do it individually, you can always just go to the report center and look through these to find which reports you want. First, we'll start with the customer balance summary, the customer's receivables, and then right down here is the customer balance summary. So I have it saved. It shows the customers and their amounts. After that, we'll look at the vendor balance summary, which we will go down to here to vendors and payables, scroll down, it's right here, but I have a memorized one. And click right here. Shows the vendors and their amounts. Eventually you will save all these as a PDF. The next one we have employee contact list. So you're down here to employees and payroll. Scroll down. It's right here. Here's my saved one. Shows the employees and their social security numbers. Eventually I will save that as a PDF. So the next one is the account listing. Go back here to accountant and taxes, or you can go to the list. They also have it here. Right here. I have mine memorized. There it is. This one shows the accounts, the types of accounts, and their balance totals. Okay, and then next one is item listing. I have it saved in my memorized, but I will show you how you get there. I believe this is it. No. Go to lists. Enable item listing right here. Got my memorized. Here's my item listing. Here's the price, the items. Okay. The last one is the trial balance. I think it's in here. Yep, right there. My memorized one. Right here. There's the finished